Edo State Governor His Excellency Senator Matta Okpebholo don sign new law wey go give 21 years prison sentence for anybody wey belong to court group and all the people wey dey sponsor dem. The tori come out on Tuesday for one statement when the Secretary to the State Government Musa Ihilo release. The statement tok say the old law wey dey handle court matter don comot and dem don put new one wey get stronger punishment to stop court activities for the state. Ihilo tok say the government serious for the matter of making sure say peace and security dey for Edo State and come also warn say people no go fit do anything wey go put Edo State for bad light or stop the development and progress of the state. The full statement tok say, and I quote, "It is hereby announced for the information of the public that the Edo State Secret Court Prohibition Law 2018 has been repealed by the Edo State House of Assembly. By virtue of the repeal, the Secret Court and Similar Activities Prohibition Law 2025 has been passed by the Edo State House of Assembly and signed into law by the Governor of the state, His Excellency Senator Matta Okpebholo, effective from 24 January 2025. Please be informed that in the new law, there are provisions for stricter penalties for anyone found guilty of secret court-related offences in the state. Section 5 of the law prescribes 21 years of imprisonment for financial and material sponsors of secret courts. Additionally, Section 6 of the law provides for 10 years of imprisonment for those who knowingly harbour members of a secret court or permit secret court meetings or activities to take place in any house, building or location under their control. The statement further noted that in addition to the 10-year jail term for those who harbour court members, such individuals would have their properties confiscated and demolished by the state government. It added Section 12 of the law clearly states any person found to be a courtist under Section 4 who assaults, injures, maims or kills any person or destroys any property in furtherance of the activities of any secret court is guilty of an offence and is liable to 21 years of imprisonment without any option or fine. In the case of a fatality, the perpetrators shall be liable to the death penalty upon conviction, and any properties in their name as well as their place of residence shall be confiscated and demolished by the state government. The general public is by this notice advised to take heed and refrain from acts detrimental to the peace, growth and development of Edo State. This statement is signed by Musa Ihilo Esquire, Secretary to the State Government. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.